Have Siri reading your notifications out loud through your headphones? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly turn off notification announcements on your iPhone so Siri stops interrupting you while you're listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Notifications, then tap on it. On the Notifications page, scroll down until you find Announced Notifications under the Siri section. Tap on Announced Notifications to open the settings. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a toggle for Announced Notifications. If you want Siri to completely stop reading notifications through your headphones, simply turn this toggle off. As soon as you disable it, Siri will no longer announce incoming notifications while you're using supported headphones or connected devices. If you still want Siri to announce notifications from certain apps but not others, leave the main setting turned on. Then scroll down through the list of apps and tap on any app you'd like to customize. From there, you can turn announcement notifications on or off for that specific app. One quick tip: if you're using AirPods, Beats headphones, or certain CarPlay systems, this setting controls whether Siri automatically reads notifications through those devices. If Siri continues announcing notifications after making changes, try disconnecting and reconnecting your headphones or restarting your iPhone. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to mute notification announcements to headphones on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.